So ayun guys, andito tayo sa GF8 Street Restaurant located at 35 Street Mahara Building, shop number 13, Rashidia 1, Ajman, UAE guys. Balilikod lang kami ng Black Ramada Hotel and Clock Tower guys. Just around 5 minutes of walking and you will see your GF8 Street Restaurant guys. Guys, it's still available your favorite food combination in the Smiles application guys. Please download the Smiles and please search GF8 Street Restaurant. And good news guys, malapit na ma-activate ang sariling home delivery service ng GF8 Street Restaurant. Ang mga link guys nasa comment section na guys. And by the way guys, meron tayong dining sa taas guys, and umorder siya ng beef bulalo guys. So kung paano niluto ang order ni Madam na beef bulalo guys, panoorin natin to. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. So yun guys, please don't forget to like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe to the GF8 Street page in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube guys for more updates. And hope to see you all over guys. So guys, dyan muna kayo at babalikan ko na doon si Madam. So once again guys, thank you so much for your support. Happy eating and enjoy watching to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out. Thank you guys.